Whoa, dudes, did you know that you eat a ton of food in your lifetime? Seriously, on average, humans gobble down about 1 to 2.7 kilograms of food every single day. That's like eating a small dog every day. Over a lifetime, that adds up to a whopping 28,800 kilograms. That's heavier than 3 African elephants. All that food goes on an incredible journey through your body thanks to your amazing digestive system. Think of your digestive system as a giant food processor, but way cooler. It breaks down all that food into tiny little pieces that your body can use for energy, growth, and repair. Without it, you'd be like a car without an engine, going nowhere fast. Your digestive system is one complex dude, but it can be broken down into 4 main parts: the gastrointestinal or GI tract, accessory organs, regulation systems, and the mesentery. First up, we've got the GI tract. This is like the superhighway of your digestive system, a 9-meter-long tube that runs from your mouth all the way down to your, well, you know. It's responsible for transporting food through your body. Next, we have the accessory organs, the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. These guys are like the pit crew of the digestive system, producing digestive juices that break down food into smaller pieces. They're the real MVPs. Then there are the regulation systems, which are like the traffic cops of your gut, directing food traffic and making sure everything runs smoothly. These systems use enzymes, hormones, nerves, and blood to keep things moving and grooving. Finally, we have the mesentery, a kind of like the scaffolding that holds everything together. It supports and positions all the organs in your abdomen so they can do their thing without getting all tangled up. Let's follow a bite of food on its epic journey through your gut. First stop, your mouth. Your teeth get to work breaking down the food into smaller pieces. Your saliva glands pump out about 1.5 liters of saliva every day, which helps to soften the food and starts breaking down those starches. Next, the food travels down your esophagus, a muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. It's like a slippery slide for food. Muscles in the esophagus contract and relax in a wave-like motion called peristalsis. This pushes the food down towards your stomach. Now let's enter the stomach, a muscular bag that churns and mixes food with digestive juices. The stomach produces powerful acids and enzymes that break down proteins. Your liver also lends a hand by producing bile, which helps to digest fats. After about 3 hours in the stomach, the food is now a creamy mixture called chyme. From the stomach, the chyme enters the small intestine, where most of the nutrient absorption takes place. The small intestine is divided into 3 parts: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. In the duodenum, the chyme mixes with pancreatic juices and bile, which neutralize the stomach acid and further break down fats, proteins, and carbs. The jejunum and ileum are covered in tiny finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area for nutrient absorption. It's like having thousands of tiny little straws sucking up nutrients from the food and into your bloodstream. Whatever's left over, mostly indigestible stuff, moves into the large intestine, also known as the colon. Here, water and electrolytes are absorbed, and the remaining waste products are formed into stool. The final stop is the rectum and anus, where the stool is stored until it's time for, well, you know. So there you have it, the digestive system. A complex and fascinating journey that turns the food you eat into the energy you need. From your mouth to your, well, you know, digestion is a team effort involving multiple organs, enzymes, hormones, and even your nervous system. The whole process from start to finish takes about 30 hours. That's longer than a whole day, so next time you grab a bite to eat, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that food takes through your body. It's a science-tastic adventure.